Yeah, hi guys, guess what? We're going for pho noodles today. I was watching Peter and Yan and then I saw that they were having noodle soup, so that's where I'm heading. Okay guys? So come along, come along. There's a place here in Mount Druitt. You'll be hearing some machineries. They're trying to do the place up because other shops are starting to open up here. That's good. Good, so there's more people here, more shops for us to come and buy stuff. But at the moment, we are going to go get some noodles. This is the place I was talking about. Here guys. Hi. Yeah, there. Right there. This is where we all come for food, guys.
Rice noodle, pork chop, the soup.
Yes, please. And can I have 21?
21.
Yeah, 21 and a rice takeaway.
21 the chicken.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
And what did Noah wanted? 29. Okay, what's the question? Are you making mango?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll have a mango smoothie.
What rice? Pork
Oh.
rice, yeah? No, pork fried rice, yeah? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have the egg noodle, sorry. I'm daydreaming. I'll have the egg noodle for the soup?
Egg noodle, no rice noodle.
No,
Egg noodle.
thank you.
Egg noodle. Okay. One egg noodle soup, one the 21 chicken, one fried rice pork chop. Okay, take away 21 chicken. Okay, one rice.
Yeah, one
rice.
Yeah.
Okay, mango shake.
Yes, please. What drink you want? Okay, that's me. My soup has arrived, guys. Have a look at that. Ooh la la. See, because I saw Peter and Yan do their noodle, and it made me want to come here and have some of this. And the broth looks delicious as always. What you get, baby?
Drink.
So are you sure you got to...
I actually don't know if I got two. I'm gonna scab off you, okay?
Yeah. Okay, sit down, but be careful because it's really hot.
Don't film me, don't film me. I'm gonna get you all the views if you film me. I don't know how to use this. Is it broth? Have you tasted it?
You have to be careful though, it's hot.
I'm scared.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Doesn't that look lovely? Anyway, thank you for my soup. And this comes along with my soup. I usually like to get the soup, and it comes with the pork chop. Did we get fried rice? Good. Anyway guys, this is our feed. So we're gonna have some of this. Yum, yum, yum. Get out, scab. It's annoying trying to scab my food, guys. Oh, Geneva. I can't help it with your name sounds similar to it. Anyway, I better put this bag down. Always have that noise. And I'm going to get the mango smoothie after. The soup is awesome. And the broth is really hot. Can you see the steam?
Yeah,
Didn't even get a spa with it. Oh, it's not a spa, sauna. Hold my glasses up. Yeah, after. Wait, I'm going to taste this beautiful broth. Because the broth is always nice. Yes, mummy. Oh, nice. Delicious. Delicious. Well, I'll give you some if you give me some of your chicken. guys wanted some of this and you live in the Ngāti County area, you come here to this building so you can have some delicious noodles. So good. My hungry would just taste even better. Tastes better, eh? Must be you're hungry. It's like extra nice flavors, eh? Oh, the man's on point today. Their food always tastes nice anyway, guys. But today, the man must be in a hectic mood. Made extra beautiful flavor to it. No. So good. Yep, it comes to this beautifully fried pork chop and a dipping sauce. Right. Then you just bite into it now before the cutting it up. Give my daughter some noodles. I mean, look at her. She looks part Asian. That's why she always wants noodles. These chips can get so squeaky. What takes to do that tool thing that you hear in the background? It's just so lovely. Good guy. Sharing and caring, eh? And there's another place there that we like to buy our food from. And we order a special fried rice. And this is what comes with the rice. Okay. A cucumber. Chinese. Oh, cucumber. Oh, together. Cooked egg, prawns, fried rice down the bottom. It's so nice too. And I told little Missy here to go and get two, she had to get one. Don't get my bag on the ground. And then the shop next door, over there. We go there and we buy our food. Noodles, sauce, and plastic plates and stuff that we need. You hear the walk? If you live in the area, come and try some of this. This is what my daughter got. And it's so good. The number is 21. So if you guys want some 21, thank you. Yeah, put it here. See? We come and eat and we take home as well. Yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta take home some doggy bits. Hey, and this is the mango smoothie. It's a thick mango smoothie. Beautiful. Okay. I like my broth. Wait, I'll give you some broth. Well, guys, gotta wrap it up, okay? After I've gotta go in there and buy me some stuff for my cooking, okay? Okay, see you guys later. Thanks for joining me having my soup, because Peter and Yen, they're the ones that made me come here. Okay, so blame them. Go to their channel, Peter and Yen, and say, Peter and Yen, you're eating some good food, and say hello and subscribe, okay? Yeah. That's so cool for now, and I'll see you in there.
What number is that?
This is number 8. So if you guys want number 8, it's here. Noodle, pork chop, delicious. Wailoa. If you want a mango smoothie, you can buy it there as well. Okay? But I wouldn't go in there, so we'll probably meet in there. Okay, guys? So we had our food, and it was delicious. So we're gonna go in here, and I'll show you where I buy my meat. I often buy my meat here because my husband says it's a lot cheaper. Okay, come on over. I'll show you the front first. So if you're into all this liver stuff, chicken stuff, it's all over here. Okay, guys? So. Got your frozen stuff there, and then you got the fresh stuff. And this is the pork that I just finished eating. It's thinly sliced, nice for the barbecue. Just chuck it on, love your auntie. And then you got those sausages. Don't know what's in them, but looks nice. There you go, so give me some meat. See? Freshly chopped up. Yeah. So guys, you want some cheap meat? This is the place, okay? I don't know what it's called. I don't know. But it's inside the same building that I came into. That's the building, okay? When you come in here. This is the only butcher here. So you can come in here, buy your cheap meat, heaps of pork there to chicken and barley, sausages, stuff like that. Then you got the frozen, you know those like more those morphy pills you get in Samoa? Yeah, you can have some of that as well. Yeah. And then you get all this meat. That's nicely chopped up, so that's really, really nice. Okay guys, I gotta shut you up because I've gotta buy my meat, okay? Okay, there's music in the shop, but this is where I come to get my condensed milk. It's a lot cheaper than inside, you know, the usual supermarket, but you didn't hear it from me. Down here. Oh, yeah guys, if you want some sauces, come into this place here and you buy it. Okay, this is all the tuna stuff. Oh yes, I was supposed to get sauce. Look, I went straight past it. Okay, where is it? Okay. No, this is not the place. What is that?
Janine's gonna make it. Hotcakes. Oh, I thought
Have I've gone past this. Oh. This is the magic syrup. Makes your food taste bomb diggity. Bomb diggity. Okay. You even get porcelain plates and all that stuff here. Okay. And then you get the fly swat, whatever. Fly squat. Okay, this is the varu yokua and sasa the naughty kids with reader. Okay, hang on. Oh, how do you put this back? Okay. Hang on, yeah. Hang on, yeah, piggy, you get a piggy over there, save all your pesos. Anyway guys, look. If you open yourself a stall or something, you can come here and buy all these little things to put all your food in. Okay, you can even get the fat straws here. Okay. And then you get the sticks to do your pork sticks. And this is the burner thing that you can put the charcoal in and put your food on. There's this thing that if you want to do a home barbie for yourself, yeah, you could just get that and make it. Yeah. Okay. And here's bags. Did you know that they were banning plastic bags, guys? So these things won't be needed one day because you have to keep the environment. Excuse me, you two. What are you two putting into the trolley? Geneva? Oh, look at this. See, this is the seafood. Like if you got like cupcakes you want to sell and stuff. Yeah. And this. Oh, look at this tray thing. You already got what? Okra. Why so big? Yeah, I know, but no, this is too much.
Yeah, I'm taking half.
$4 for the whole thing. No, because all the drinks will go in one cup, and then the next person won't get enough. No, get a smaller cup. Yeah, this one. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Or what about this one? They're the same size as this one? No, this one. That's too small. This is the size of it.
Oh, sorry. Isn't it the same size?
No, it's not. That one's really small. It's like one sip and you're finished. But that might be Geneva. Aotearoa, me. I always get people's names wrong. What is this? Oh, cute. Look. These are like those ice cream containers. Hey. But I guess you can put hot chow mein in it or something to sell. Oh, look, you even get the little bowl things. Geneva, this is that bowl you guys had that macaroni in, eh? Mac and cheese. What happened? What, purple galo? Purple kumara? How come it's got like little, never mind. Oh, you can get us cassava here, eh? Yeah, I'm gonna buy a bag. I'm gonna support Fiji. Look at the cassava. Oh, maruru kongi. Yeah, Fiji cassava. Then you get all these frozen stuff you can cook at home, guys. Okay, bye. Anyway, Fiji, product of Fiji. Gotta support the brothers and sisters there.
Is that real corned beef?
Of course it's real corned beef. Don't you put it in the trolley? We don't need it. That girl's trying to rip me off, guys. That girl's trying to rip me off. She's trying to put extra stuff in the trolley. Pretend it's for me, but then she takes it to her house. Well, stop adding stuff into the trolley. Your empty what?
One can is $7. My empty can of Coke.
Really?
It's $7 over price for corned beef.
No, they normally find something.
It's $7 for $7.
Oh. Probably they got extra special stuff. Look at this. Frozen jackfruit. That ain't a grated purple yam. Oh, look. Look. Yellow purple yam. You can make a manioko with it.
Get one.
Get one more.
Do you understand what that is? Do you
No.
understand?
What is it?
Mochi.
Mango.
Trust me,
Yeah, give me a mango. I love mango. This is Yukimi, not you, emoji. Go up a bit, okay? Oh, okay. Is that lime? Green tea? No.
Green tea's nice too.
I like mango. Why, where you gotta go? Yeah, put it back then. Yeah, well, put it back. You can, at least you know it's here. Okay, shame guys, gotta put it back. Oh, look at this. Oh, mango, yummy, yum. Look. Look, Sharon Lee. Oh, yum. Hey, I love mangoes. Okay, come on. We'll go and pay. I got what I came for. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Freezing in here. Lucky I bought a jacket. See, I came all prepared. Scarf, leather jacket, long jumper inside. But look, the wrong shoes. Meant to be shoes with socks. Okay. Hey. How many did you get?
2.
Who's it for? Okay, light. But the best one to get, guys, is this one here, the mix.
That's what I got.
Are you sure? Okay.
That's peach.
No, it's a mix.
It's a bit sunny. Well, what's this? Do you want me to vlog?
Yes, please. Don't drop my camera.
I look special, but how do I? Can't really stand it up. I'm Fabian's old editor, her best editor, her. Oh yeah, old editor place. Her favorite editor, her old editor, the one that makes the best videos. Yeah. Bye bye. Okay.
Okay.
We're in the way, Mum.
Nice. That's vanilla. No way. I'm not gonna eat that. If it was mango, yes. Why don't we go in here? Buy some mango and big pancake.
Mum, we're going to time, right?
Okay, come on. Anyway, guys, we've done our shopping. Done all that we wanted to do, except buy my pancake with mangoes in it. They sell this pancake, right? And it's got mango in it, and it's delicious. Delicious. But anyway, guys, I had enough to eat. So don't be greedy. Ah, yeah, don't be greedy. Anyway, because they didn't want to stop and get my mango and pancake, I'm not pushing the trolley with them. See, they can go all the way down and around. And I go to the car. Walk to the car, wait for them. Okay, guys, it's so blooming cold. So blooming cold. Okay, guys, gotta go to our car. Okay, we're the last car. Okay. So, this is nice. Anyway, guys, if you want to know what this place is, it's Good Luck Plaza Supermarket. Okay? See you later, guys. I'm hiding behind here, guys. Where are they?
Don't show the fruit, that's embarrassing. Right there.
Oh,
Bye.
Geneva. Oh, the car is locked. I'm not holding nothing if that's not mango. Ugly. You're just standing here because you don't want to help with the shopping. Go and do the shopping.
Yes.
Yeah, she's very, very cunning like that. You always know her tricks and make her work. Hey, go and get the dollar. Can you take this to the rubbish, please? Come and get it. Thank you, love. See? Don't leave it in the trolley. Put it in the rubbish. Fast. Bye. Shame. Oh, guys. We are here in Spotlight, guys. Yeah, we were going to go home. But then we ended up in here. Look at these baby stuff. $5 for this. Not that I'm having any more babies. Yeah. I love babies. Baby days are over, guys. O-B-A. That's it. Yeah. So we're just trying to find us. If you invest in a really good pillow for your neck, you'll be the happiest sunshine in the house. I know, I got this weird color, but it's 40% off this, and it's so comfy. When you hop out of the shower, step on it. I've got this for the shower. You guys might need this for the inside shower.
Hope's got one.
It's,
Yeah.
Have you stood on Hope's one that I got?
no, that's comfy.
Her one's memory foam.
Yes. Oh, thank you, love. Yeah, so because it's 40% off those bath mats. So they're $7. That's $7. Okay, I'm gonna give me another one. They are so handy, so comfy to step on. Here, baby. That's for the because I've got 2 light blue at home, and I think I'll give you guys that one for side shower. Because me and Grandma, we got ours outside. Oh, see, Slave. This is our Slave right now. She was trying to get away with loading the car. So now that's her job. Look, Sharon, I'll get this one here. I don't care. You know me, I don't care. I don't care. That's King Single. Mucky, eh? Yeah, what about this one? I don't mind this one at all. Oh yeah.
Okay, Mama, please.
Wait. Hold this. Hold this so I can turn. See, this is what teamwork's all about. No, get my drink. Thank you. No, there isn't.
Should be on sale.
You should get some more of these bath mats. They're only $7.79.
That is so nice. I'm not joking. Go and ask.
Where'd you get it from? Where'd you get it from? The bath mat. Oh. The bath. Tiger. Oh, I could. That's like standing on a cloud too. A lumpy cloud. Look at these clouds. These are nice. Oh, but a bit rough. I like those soft towels, but they need to dry. Oi, I've never seen this colour before. You know me, I like colours. It's actually nice. I know you guys are thinking, no it's not, no it's not. Okay, we're here looking for bed linen. Guys, my daughter wants to make my bed. Oh. You know me, I don't care what colours. As long as it's comfy and it's clean, yeah, that's all I want. So where did you buy your doona from? The one you keep going on about? What?
TK Maxx.
You got it from TK?
I got it from here, but they don't sell it anymore. They sold out.
Yeah.
TK Maxx has it there for $100. That's how much I bought it for.
Look,
I was down for my career.
look, Joe. What's in here? Maybe I can get one of these. Is it?